So, guys, what is going on? So, it's April 9th. It's 11 o'clock at night. This morning, I did a video and I said I can't buy stocks fast enough. And when these tariffs started to be implemented, they were just saying the stock market's going to crash, it's going to go down, and I couldn't maneuver everything I had fast enough to start buying, stocks and index funds and all that good stuff. And this morning, like I said, I did this video, and then this afternoon, they lifted tariffs on all of the countries except China, and the everything shot up. There was some stocks I had. I don't think I can name them, but it shot up a tremendous amount of money, just like through the roof. They were down, and that was the reason why I was buying these stocks, because there are stocks that are hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Costco is a $900 stock. Tesla, Nvidia. There were some stocks that were hundreds of dollars that dropped into the teens or the low hundreds. There were, $800-900 stocks, but then they dropped to like $200-300, and that's big. Now, one thing about stocks or real estate is that it doesn't last forever. And it doesn't last forever on the low. And what that means is, houses are never the same price. They may go up and down, but they're always going to trend upwards. It's very rare you hear, well, I bought the house in, 1980 for, 100,000, and now it's, 2024 and it's, 50,000. Using that as an example. All of that always goes up. Same with stocks. Stocks may go up and down, and you can go back 50 years and see these great, it's a crash, it's this, it's that, and the stocks are down. It's, oh no, it doesn't last forever, and they go up and down, and then they just keep going up. That's why people always say, if you're investing in stocks, you put a little bit of money every month, and then over the course of 20, 30 years, it's always up. It's never down. It's never been down like that. Now, you may be retiring, and the time you're retiring, it could be that the stocks are on a downturn. But usually, if they're in a downturn, again, that could be a very short time, a 3 or 4 year hit, and then they're back up again. But these tariffs, you just saw that this was a prime time to buy. And like I said, I couldn't buy the stocks fast enough. I couldn't maneuver. When you buy stocks, you have to kind of have money from a bank or to a brokerage firm, which then buys the stock. It's not like a cash thing. I just can't walk in with a bunch of cash and buy stocks. I wish I could, but it doesn't work like that. Now, the media is always trying to say that there's something bad. Unfortunately, they don't like the person that's in charge right now. So anything that this person does, they're going to say it's bad, and it's all sorts of things. But the media is the last thing you want to look at. If they're telling you something is bad, that means it's good. If they're telling you it's left, it's right, and if it's up, it's down. So I don't know what else to say, man. I mean, that's really it. So it's a good day. These are the charts. This is what it's up. Again, it's 11 o'clock at night, 11 something at night. I'll publish this video tomorrow morning, which will be April 10th. I don't know what the market's going to do tomorrow. I don't even care. The market was down, and then when the market shoots up, that's kind of when you maneuver out, and then it's like everything else. The market's down, you buy in, it shoots up, you pull out, you throw it into other things. But that is it. And I'm not a financial investor. I do a lot of real estate. I like real estate. That's my thing. But this was kind of a no-brainer. This whole tariff stock market thing. I mean, they were telling you, we're going to put tariffs on, the market's going to crash, and, that's the end of America. Now, they're going to put tariffs on, the market's going to crash, everybody buy in, and eventually these tariffs will come off, or the market will just go up naturally, even with the tariffs, and, you make money and you get out. The leadership in our country is very good. Even though the media is saying that the leadership in our country is very bad, it is not. And you could do a lot of things when you have leadership that is pro-business, pro-America, It's wide open. It really is. So that is it. Now, if you know anything more about the stock market or whatever, please leave a comment below. I'd love to read your comments. The market will go up and down in the next, 4 years. It might go down today, but the market will go up and down. And I'll tell you this, the minute that China and the United States somehow make a deal, the market is going to shoot up again. Because there will be some sort of deal with China. Everybody's in a standoff, but there will be something, and the market will shoot again. And that might not be tomorrow, but it's coming. But that is it. All right. With that being said, I hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone's staying safe. God bless you guys, and I will talk to you guys later.